2, 1. And we have liftoff of Antares. Aboard 3 missions to bring Cygnus on its 3rd CRS mission.
That was awesome, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got main engines at 108%.
Avionics power nominal.
Huh? What?
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, the rocket ship's on fire!
What just happened?
And launch team, be advised, stay at your consoles. Everyone in the LCC, maintain your positions in your consoles.
Oh my
In the
god!
LCC, maintain positions at your console.
Did that just happen?
Oh my
Yes.
god!
Did that really just happen?
Called it!
Wow. Wow.
Called it, bitches.
Guys, what did that thing just blow up?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Oh.
it did.
I called it. I'm being dead serious. I called it, all of you.
Shit, we need like... Why isn't this like Twitch? Why isn't there a chat box?
Everyone would go insane. Like, what just happened?
And for now,
Quickly,
You know,
someone
this
take a
is
picture.
really bad because the ISS really needs that shit. I mean, is there anyone inside of it?
No.
Okay.
If there was, they probably had family.
Wow.
Yeah, I believe a person usually has a family.
That was excruciating to watch.
That, well,
I
we
thought
just
that
saw a
was-
few $billion go down, go catch on fire, you know?
Think about all the tax money you spent. There it is. Boom.
I want to see the faces of the people that's like on their computer right now, like in NASA.
The one that was watching porn's like, oh my god, oh my god.
Yes.
It's like he was like masturbating to porn, and like the moment he ejaculated, that thing just blew up.
I mean, I had a feeling that like something was going to happen, but I didn't really know. I didn't really think it was going to happen.
Shortly after
If only there
liftoff,
was
Well,
a Twitch stream.
CRS-3 mission
Chat
on its
box
way
would
towards
go
the station.
crazy.
We are standing by and will continue to bring you
Someone's
mission
gonna put
updates
that
as
on
they
YouTube,
become
right?
available.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
Good.
And I'll post that shit on the forums, be like, I called it.
I mean, I like explosions, but you know, the tax money that's used, well,
That kind of explosion isn't very good.
usually big
That was how we were gonna beat
explosions.
ISIS, god damn it. We were gonna blow them up with a rocket.
Wait, guys, I have a feeling this is actually kind of our prediction, or kind of a, what do you call this?
Deja vu.
Yeah, deja vu for the future when North Korea tries to nuke us.
They'll have like a little bomb. Don't even. They'll probably throw up rockets in the air and pretend that they fucking like
Yeah,
defeated
it's
us or
going to be
something.
like the North Korean rocket, except it's going to be a much smaller explosion.
Right. When that exploded in the air, I thought it was like, oh, what was this meant to be? Because no, it's going down. It's going down slowly.
Yeah, I was like, was that supposed to happen? I mean, it's supposed to like have some kind of aerodynamic projectile kind of fuel thing.
An accident occurring just about 6 seconds after liftoff of the Antares rocket.
And then
carrying
boom, I
CRS-3
was like, yep,
cargo mission.
I don't think that was supposed to happen.
Has occurred at pad 0A. We have lost the Orb 3 vehicle.
They also knocked down one of the
We're going to
supports
implement
thing.
the
I mean,
Antares
that might be
CRS
it, I'm not sure.
emergency reaction plan.
Look what I just posted on the forums, shout box.
Don't.